Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change date of birth on Facebook. What you need to do, first just go to Facebook and log in your account and then click here in your profile icon and then edit profile, then just scroll down and click edit your about info and then contact and basic info, and then just scroll down. You will see here the birthday. Just click here and then just here you can change the day, the month, the year, and then just click save. In case you are unable to change it, just click here contact us. As you can see, if you are unable to select your real birthday, and me for example in this case, just click here, please contact us for assistance. Just click here, contact us, and then just choose the year and then choose the reason for this change. Just choose any of this reason and then click send, because Facebook, they want to be sure that is your account and is not a fake account. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.